All right, from spring-like storms, wind, and very heavy rain, now back to the little taste of winter upon us again. Over the past 24 hours, about 12 hours, we've been dealing with that line of strong storms that rolled through. Several severe thunderstorm warnings popped up. Now that the rain has shifted over to the east, everything kind of wrapped up around maybe just after midnight. And then some of that cold air came in. You started to see some scattered snow flurries falling, especially in southern and southeastern Kentucky. A few more up around the Cincinnati area, maybe some. I would say most of that's probably ground clutter. But we are still seeing some of those scattered snow flurries still sitting in southeastern Kentucky. There have even been just a couple of reports of maybe the lightest little coating of snow on decks or cars, objects up off the ground, because the ground temperatures still a little too warm for us to see any kind of accumulation on those or even any ice. Road temperatures are still sitting in about the mid to the upper 30s because, after all, we were in the 60s yesterday. Today is quite a big difference and a big change for us. We also had some snow that moved through the U.S. So a lot of that kind of over around the Wichita area, with the line stretching up through Detroit, Buffalo, Montreal, heading up into Canada. We have even picked up, again, you can see just the lightest little faint blue colors representing some of those snow showers in southeastern Kentucky. Now that we have the cloud cover, we are going to begin to see that line clearing out toward about maybe 9 or 10 a.m. We can expect to see at least partly sunny skies, then full sunshine for the afternoon. Keep in mind, though, it is still going to be a breezy day. Even though we have the sunshine, those winds are still going to be whipping up around 25 miles per hour. So that's going to hold those temperatures in the 30s, and the wind chill factor coming into play. Most of those will be kind of sitting in the 20s and 30s through the day. Little quick moving Clipper system rolls in tomorrow. This one will basically be dry for us. It does hold more scattered snow showers, maybe even a couple of heavier snow showers moving through West Virginia, Pennsylvania, and New York. But for us, it's a small increase in cloud cover early in the day, Saturday, and then plenty of sunshine takes back over. High pressure keeps us dry through the rest of the weekend as well. And Sunday, we are looking at temperatures getting finally back into the mid 50s. So this cool down, this little blast of winter, really doesn't last too long. 28 degrees right now in Lexington, not that far away in St. Louis. It's 13 degrees, 8 in Chicago. Meanwhile, they still have 60s in the Charlotte, Jacksonville area. But again, the cold is taking over the U.S. and we are dealing with more of that cold coming up toward the end of February as well. Notice how we start to warm back up. So again, cold is short-lived for now for us. Low 60s by Monday and Tuesday. But as that happens, better chances of rain return. And here's what I mean by that cold taking over. Still warm for the end of February for the East Coast. We'll kind of be somewhere in between normal and slightly below average. Meanwhile, huge chunk of real estate over in the western part of the U.S. dealing with well below temperatures for the end of the month. For today here in Lexington, highs around 37, gusts of wind up to 25 miles per hour. That's going to keep it cold. More sun, though. Clear skies tonight, low of 23 degrees. And then through the weekend, we are shaping up. 38 degrees tomorrow, 55 on Sunday. Better chances of rain through most of next week as temperatures drop from the 60s to the 40s by the end of the week.